Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the physical pieces, slots populated with matching drives and a RAID-capable controller. Power down if swapping drives, then mount and cable drives to the correct ports so you can identify them as 1, 2, 3, 4. Once done, boot into your OS installer or live environment. Make sure firmware and controller drivers are current. You need a clear backup to avoid data loss, so verify your backup and have a recovery USB ready before creating arrays. Now build the array using the controller BIOS utility or mdatum in a shell. Pick RAID level based on redundancy and throughput needs, then initialize the set. When prompted, select stripe size. Smaller favors random I/O, larger favors sequential transfers, so choose 64K 256K accordingly. After initialization, partition the virtual disk, create your file system. For Linux, use ext4 or XFS, and record the UUID. Finally, add the UUID. Finish by testing. Run smart tests and a full file system check, then simulate load with FIO or DD to ensure stability. Make sure monitoring and alerting are enabled so you get notified on degradation. Configure controller logs and email or SNMP alerts. If the array shows degraded status, identify the failed disk, offline and replace it, then kick off a rebuild and watch synchronization until it reaches 100%. If rebuild stalls, check cables, controller firmware, and demask for errors immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.